children. How are you all? Are you all fine? Very good. In our last class, I told you about something given in the lesson, Swami and the magic beans. Do you think Swami and his mother were rich? Were they rich? They were not rich. They were very poor. They were very They had nothing. They had nothing with them. All they have had was a cow. Cow. They had only a cow. They lived in a small hut. I told you all about this, didn't I? So one day, Swami's mother told Swami, take our cow and take it to the market and sell it to the market and bring some money, she said. Swami nodded his head and he took the cow to the market. He was going to the market. While he was going, suddenly he met a man. You know, the man was very strange. He was looking very strange. He was strange with a long beard and whiskers. He said, "Hey boy, give me the cow, and take these beans. He gave Swami the beans, you know what? He gave Swami some beans. Swami was innocent. He was not active. He was not an active boy. He was innocent. He didn't know anything. He gave the strange man the cow and he took the beans. You know what beans? I told you. Beans means in Telugu is a chikkudi ginja. Okay. He took the beans and he returned his home along with the beans. He reached his home. Swami reached his home. Then his mother ran towards Swami. She was very happy that he might brought some money by selling the cow in the market. He asked, Swami, did you bring money? Swami said, no, mommy. No. Didn't you bring money? Where is the cow? He said, oh, I met a man. He took our cow and he gave me some beans. Here they are. Sure, here the beans are, mommy. When Swami's mother saw the beans, she got angry. You idiot, stupid! You brought these beans instead of money. She got angry with Swami and she threw all the beans to the window and she slapped him on his cheek. Swami went to bed crying. He went onto bed. He cried and he went to sleep on the bed. He fell asleep. But Swami's mother was very angry, you know. Do you think Swami's mother was very happy? No, she was not happy because did Swami bring money? No, what he brought? Beans. Instead of money, he brought some beans. On seeing that beans, Swami's mother really very terrified, very angry, and she slapped her on his cheek. Swami went on bed crying and fell asleep. The next day morning, Swami woke up and saw a giant beanstalk in front of his house. You know what beanstalk? Beanstalk means in Telugu we say chikkurdiga. You know what? He saw a giant beanstalk, very big beanstalk. You know, actually beanstalks are very weak. Just if we pull them, it gets cut, doesn't it? But that beanstalk was very strong, like a tree. Swami, he went outside of the room and he started climbing the beanstalk. He climbed the beanstalk. He climbed up to the sky. Do you know what a sky is, children? Sky means what? Sky. Yes, Akasha. He climbed up to the sky through the clouds. You know, clouds means what? In the sky, there are some clouds. 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 What are they?
Clouds.
Because of these clouds, we get rain. Rain. Clouds means what? You know what clouds are?
Rain.
Clouds means what?
Rain.
Mega. Very good. Ishka, very good. See, he went outside and started climbing the beanstalk. He went up to the sky through the clouds. He was going up to the sky through the clouds. He was touching the clouds. He kept going up to the sky, very high. There, Swami saw a beautiful castle. You know, castle means what, children? Building. He saw a beautiful castle. How was the castle? How was that? Very beautiful. Very beautiful. The house was very beautiful. He saw a very beautiful castle. He was very happy on seeing that castle. Wow, what a great castle. People were very happy on seeing that castle. Next, what happened? I'll let you know in our next class. Okay, children? Are you all happy with my class?
Hi.
Did you understand what I said?
Yes.
Okay, very good.